Title: Graduate, celebrating accomplishment. Meaning: today, we're discussing the word graduate. To graduate is a verb that means to complete a course of study or training, often resulting in the attainment of a degree or diploma. It signifies the achievement of an educational milestone. Pronunciation: pronouncing graduate is simple, ʻɡrædʒuət, with a soft G and clear enunciation. Use in a sentence. For example, when you graduate from high school or college, it's a momentous occasion to celebrate your hard work and accomplishments. Importance: graduating is a significant accomplishment that marks the end of one chapter and the beginning of another, signifying personal growth and educational success. Conclusion: in summary, graduate is a word that represents the celebration of hard work, achievement, and personal growth in the world of education. Thanks for joining us today on Connect to World. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, celebrate the journey of graduating and the bright future it brings.